Okay, listen. If you're a busy mom like me, with pets everywhere and a baby in one arm 90% of the time, this little machine is about to become your new best friend. This is a mop and vacuum robot, and it's basically like having a tiny housekeeper that vacuums and mops your floors while you just live your life. We have hardwood, tile, and some low pile carpet, and it handles all of them like a champ. No hair clogs, no drama, and with pets constantly shedding and babies dropping their snacks, the fact that it mops and vacuums at the same time is such a game changer. I can turn it on from my phone or just use the remote. Even my mom figured it out. It runs almost 3 hours on quiet mode automatically and then it returns to charge like, hello, that's a dream come true. It is so satisfying watching it clean while I'm feeding the baby or folding the laundry. I just feel like I have extra help. And as a mom, that really means everything. I highly, highly recommend.